everyone! The 2026 Toyota Mini IQ Off-Road is one of the most unexpected yet fascinating vehicles to hit the automotive scene. And today, we're taking a deep dive into everything it brings to the table. At first glance, it looks like a compact urban car transformed into a rugged off-road explorer. And that's exactly what Toyota set out to build. A tiny powerhouse designed to navigate crowded cities just as confidently as it handles dirt trails, gravel paths, and steep outdoor terrain. As we walk around it, you immediately notice how Toyota reimagined the ultra-compact IQ formula, lifting the suspension, widening the track, bulking up the stance, and giving it an adventurous personality that you simply don't find in vehicles this size. The front fascia grabs attention with its bold, squared-out LED headlights, a redesigned grille with a mesh pattern inspired by Toyota's off-road TRD family, and chunky off-road bumper guards that hint at the Mini IQ's new purpose. Although small, the presence is undeniably strong, partly thanks to the flared wheel arches and the 15-inch off-road wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires. Even the skid plates underneath tell you that Toyota truly expects this little SUV-like machine to be used beyond paved roads. Moving along the sides, the short wheelbase becomes a clear advantage as it improves maneuverability and approach angles, allowing the IQ Off-Road to squeeze into tight spaces and climb over obstacles that bigger SUVs simply can't. The black cladding along the doors adds to the protection while giving the car a tougher, more squared-off look. The rear continues the rugged transformation with redesigned LED taillights, a new bumper with built-in tow hooks, a compact spare tire mount option, and a high-mounted stop lamp designed for visibility in dusty outdoor conditions. The ground clearance, now significantly higher than the original IQ, makes the car look like a mini mountain goat ready for adventure. Despite its tiny size, Toyota has managed to make every angle feel confident, purposeful, and ready to be tested off the beaten path. Moving inside, the cabin of the 2026 Mini IQ Off-Road surprises you with how efficiently Toyota has used the space. The interior blends durability with modern tech, using easy-to-clean materials, rubberized surfaces, and wipe-friendly linings built for outdoor use. The dashboard carries Toyota's latest compact digital layout with a floating touchscreen, smartphone integration, and an off-road data mode that gives drivers real-time information like incline levels, tire pressure, and traction output. Although small, the seats are well bolstered, designed to secure the driver and passenger while traveling over uneven trails. Toyota even improved the seat height, giving a more SUV-like commanding view of the surroundings, which enhances driver confidence in off-road areas. The rear seats remain practical for short trips or for carrying extra gear, but most buyers will likely fold them down to maximize cargo space for camping equipment, recovery tools, or everyday essentials. Toyota's attention to ergonomics is evident in the placement of controls, storage pockets, and the compact yet versatile center console. Cabin insulation has improved too, making highway cruising quieter and the entire experience more premium than expected from such a tiny off-road machine. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Mini IQ Off-Road features a small but spirited hybrid engine, delivering both efficiency and surprising torque, which is exactly what's needed for low-speed off-road environments. The electric motor provides instant power delivery, helping the IQ climb hills and navigate rough sections without hesitation. Paired with a revised CVT tuned specifically for off-road responsiveness, the power delivery feels smooth yet assertive. Toyota has also implemented a lightweight chassis design that keeps the car agile, and thanks to its compact dimensions, the IQ Off-Road doesn't require a massive powertrain to perform capably. Suspension is where Toyota truly pushed the limits. The raised, reinforced setup includes upgraded shocks, longer travel, and improved articulation, all contributing to a surprisingly comfortable ride during off-road driving. Whether you're crossing potholes, gravel patches, or uneven forest paths, the suspension absorbs impacts effectively for a vehicle this small. Steering feels light in city driving, but becomes more controlled at lower off-road speeds, making the car easy to maneuver between rocks and tight trails. With traction control, hill descent assist, and a smart off-road mode that automatically adjusts power delivery, the IQ Off-Road behaves like a miniaturized SUV with bigger ambitions. One of the standout features of the 2026 Mini IQ Off-Road is its remarkable efficiency. Because of the hybrid system, the fuel consumption remains extremely low even when driving off the road, which is rare in the off-road world where vehicles tend to be thirsty.